Good morning.
What day is it today? Thursday?
It is the 27th.
Wednesday the 27th.
Friday the 27th.
Wednesday the 27th. Thank you very much. And we are off to Isabella today. However, last night or yesterday there was an eruption. So we probably won't be walking up, but we are still camping at the bottom. We're all excited to see lava. Yes, yes.
It is up.
We're just eating brekkie and then we're getting on the boat, so we'll see you on the boat. All the little birdies are taking baths in the gutter. Iguana. What a beautiful view. There is one over there, just rolling around. We've just had our bags checked so we don't bring any seeds or anything from this island to the other island, and we're about to hop on the boat. Oh, there's crabs down there as well. Quite big ones. There's heaps of iguanas there, and there's some seals and loads of crabs. We're looking at all the birds. There's blue-footed boobies and Nazca boobies and black ones and frigates.
There is a chick, a frigate bird chick. Can you see the white point of the branch?
Yeah.
That is a frigate bird. I can suppose that it's a frigate because it's on a branch, not on the ground.
This whole island is like a half moon. It's a volcano crater that's currently sinking. Hey little guy! We've officially arrived on Isabella. Can't see any volcano just yet. Goodbye! Cool! More tortoises.
Eating this stuff like corn on the cob.
Sweet. I love that this one down here is taking full-on chunks from the stem.
But it's a different way. It's not like so much for like the trout that we eat.
We've just spotted a group, heaps of flamingos. Are you ready? You'll be able to see them. Look, they're so pink. Wow. Wow. Look at them. I don't know whether you can see very well. We're just off to check out what the waves are like because we might go surfing. We're not going to be able to have down this whole game. Yeah, this is cool. Lava rocks. Real lava. That's so cool. Everyone, the floor is lava! Well, you're all going to fucking die, aren't you?
The floor is lava. This is pure salt. Oh yeah, something like asayapa.
Well, we're going surfing. Yeah, boy! Hannah's boogie board and me, Jack and Jeremy are going to surf. I'm in this little fancy number. Not sure whether we'll be able to video anything because we're going to leave our bags here. But I'll try and see if we can get someone to video something at least for you. Otherwise, see you in a few hours. We're back from surfing. It was very exhausting. And I'm not as good as I remember. It was pretty rough to be fair though. Jack did pretty well. He just didn't quite get the surfer stance down.
because I'm not a surfer.
He was just kind of just stood on the board once he stood up, but it was still cool. Hannah boogie boarded. Me and Jack got wiped out on the same wave. And I don't know whether you can see.
I feel like
it
if I
doesn't
tried
look
to
good,
stand
but
up on that wave, I would have died.
Yeah, I did try and stand up, and I nosedived straight down.
Well, as soon as the wave started taking me, the board started like dipping down underneath the water anyway.
Yeah,
so
it's because it was
nope,
too big
nope.
for us, and we didn't have enough momentum. But yeah, we're back now. We're just gonna probably go to that shop and get some snacks, and then go meet the rest of the crew at 6 p.m. at the police station.
They sell snacks. They sell octopus.
Yeah, it's just there. Dinner. Eco Lodge. Righty ho, we are doing marshmallow s'mores, chocky biscuits. I'm excited. And then we're going to the volcano.
Yeah, so through the any
Right, this is the beginning. Where's the flame at, yo?
No, just go here. Oh, it's about to go on fire.
Oh, shiza.
Yeah.
Ooh, brown.
You guys don't do this at home in England very much, do you?
Not really, no.
No. This is.
Oh, it's browning perfectly.
You call that perfect.
Yeah, look.
Got the top.
Done.
I love them burnt. They're great. Oh, look at the.
The perfect one.
Oh, so I didn't get this yet.
And then
And then you have to do a sandwich.
you. Oh, look at that.
It's hot. Oh mate, that's gonna be horrible.
It's on fire.
Oh. Right.
Yes.
Hang on.
Look at that.
Where the fuck are the tops of these ones gone?
People have taken them.
What? Just.
We're in the back of a truck. We are going to see a volcano.
What you the gumboots?
Woo!
Fuck.
Well, yeah. It's raining.
Lava! 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 If we don't see lava, we're gonna kill Danilo.
No, it's not. 'Cause we need to get home.
Yeah, true. There is a volcano over there, but you definitely can't see it, so I'll put some pictures in now. Jeremy is in the wild.
Hola.
We are trekking. Oh, Jesus Lord. Jesus Lord, give me strength. Oh, Jeremy goes down. Amy goes down. Amy slides. Oh, 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 oh. We are trekking in the jungle to try and get back down from the volcano that we partially saw. We keep hearing Hannah fall down. How was it, Jeremy? You rate it?
Huh?
Do you rate it? Ah, I'm stuck.
Give it like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Is everyone having fun? Woo! Woo!